Hey people, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am here live in my kitchen. I have a crying dog in the background. I think my crying puppy really is excited because she really wants to get apple pie in a mug. I don't know, dogs like apples. She might be a candidate to taste this later, but until then, we're gonna give her a Trader Joe's peanut butter banana bone just to keep her quiet. But you guys are in for a treat today because I am going to demo an oldie but a goodie recipe. Hi Peggy, hi again. For anyone who knows, I was just going live on my personal page accidentally, but I figured I would go to where the people are instead of just like my 5 friends and my aunt or whatever. So I'm here live in my kitchen, again doing a demo for you because what else is there to do? I feel like I should just pop up every night and do some kind of a recipe demo for you because we're all bored, we're all home, we all don't know what to do, what to eat. So I figured I would dig deep into the archives of the Hungry Girl world and pull out a recipe that's one of my old favorites. This is it. It's red hot apple pie in a mug. I'm gonna show you, this is, I'll fix it and top it and do all the fun stuff later, but the whole idea of it is that it's all about 2 ingredients. It's about apples, so you just need 1 apple, and red hots. Okay, and I'm gonna give you a substitution idea in case you don't have red hots at your house and you think it might be hard to get red hots. I'll give you a substitution, but I think it's such a fun recipe because it really tastes like apple pie filling. The red hots and the apples together, they're sweet, they're gooey, they're cinnamony. Hi Gina. They do it all, honestly. And you don't have to even eat it in the form of apple pie. You can eat it as a hot dessert. You could put ice cream on it. You could put it on ice cream. You could mix this into Greek yogurt. You could do so many things with this. It's crazy, okay? So look how beautiful it is. Do you see, do you see, do you see? Send hearts, baby. If you send likes and hearts, you are gonna be eligible to win something very fun tonight. Now, you know I've been giving away my artwork, my animal stickers that I have and that I love so much, but I'm not giving away an animal sticker picture tonight. Tomorrow, over the weekend at some point, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna give this away, I'm gonna embellish it. I am sure that this koala is gonna have a name, a signature, googly eyes, you name it. But tonight I'm giving away an actual paint by sticker book. So if you send likes, hearts, loves, you have a chance to win one of these. This sticker book, it's amazing. How do you like them apples? All right, so first I'm taking my apple, I'm gonna cut it up. You need a medium to a medium large apple. I like a Fuji apple, but whatever apple you have in your house will work. I'm trying to read the comments as I cut an apple.
Are red hots really hot?
No, red hots are not hot. They're like wimpy cinnamon candy for children. So like, they're not like hot, but they're just called red hots because that's a good name, right? And if you don't have red hots, you can try it with you can crush Lifesavers. You could, try it with like a lollipop that you crush. It's not gonna be bad. I think, Bam Bam, what's the matter, sweetheart? I think Bam Bam's gonna get a bone. She's a very cute, maybe she wants to be on camera. You want to bring her over to show the people?
Yeah.
Okay, Lauren's going to bring Bam Bam over as I cut these apples up and try not to slice my fingers. Hi Ohio. Hi, if you guys like red hots, you're going to love this. And if you don't have red hots, I'm going to teach you how you can make this without red hots. Come on over. Come on over, baby. You need that sticker book? Everybody who wants that sticker book, hit likes, loves, whatever. Come, Lauren's shy. I want to come here with Bam Bam. There's Bam Bam and Lauren. I don't even know who's cuter of those two. Look at that.
Just wanted to be in the
Hi,
shot.
Bam. Did you just want to be in the shot? Bam Bam's ready for her close-up. All right, don't get too close to the microwave, Bam Bam. All right, I've just cut, my knife was way too large. I have cut up my apple. If you guys want a chance to win the sticker book, all you have to do is likes and loves and comments and questions. You name it, that's all you have to do. Tonight, again, the theme here is I've been using wide bottom mugs so you could see inside. You don't need a wide bottom mug. And I always say my recipes, they might be in a wide bottom mug, but you won't have a wide bottom when you make them. Right, Bam Bam? Hi, Bam Bam. Okay, so we've got an apple. It was kind of a, isn't Bam Bam the best? Kind of like a large apple I had. And now I'm gonna put the Red Hots in. This is the fun part. How many apples? Only one apple. You use about like 12 to 15 of these. You can count them or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I did 16. All right, by the way, in case you're wondering, each of these Red Hots has 2.4 calories. Hi, Nova Scotia. 2.4 calories in a Red Hot, but you wouldn't want to eat the whole bag. Your dentist might want you to eat the whole bag. I don't want you to eat the whole bag. Now, by the way, if you don't get the daily emails, Hungry Girl daily emails, we're about to celebrate our 16th birthday, anniversary, whatever, of sending emails. So if you don't get them, you're really missing out. Monday to Friday. So you're gonna, oh wait, I have to cover this. Hang on.
Where's the Dateline mug?
Where's the what mug?
Dateline mug.
Oh, I'll show you the Dateline mug. Hold on. First of all, my cabinets are closed tonight. Usually the cabinet door is open, and people are like, why is your cabinet open? And I'm like, because I'm a slob. All right, so you cover this. You want to cover it because it'll cook better if you cover it. I almost forgot, but cover that. Put it in for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, we're going to give it a stir. You never heard of a Red Hot? Come on. Come on. It's like a movie candy. Oh, wait, I'll show you. Hang on. I'm back. By the way, a lot of people say, oh, I can't see you cook because there are so many comments. You can just hide the comments and then you could see me cook, by the way, just so you know. Thank you for liking my sweater. I like it too. I think it takes away from the recipe a little because it's distracting. But this is my Dateline mug. It says Dateline. They sent it to me. Don't watch alone, blah, blah, blah. I love it. I cook in this mug all the time. I love this mug. I love, love, love. Someone just said, please pull your sleeves up when preparing food. I feel like I'm here with my mom. All right, I pulled my sleeves up. Is that better? My cabinets are closed. My sleeves are up. What else can I do? Is my hair in my face? Help me. Okay. You love the emails. Thank you. So while this is apples, my chopped up apples. I like the way you say cabinet. Cabinet.
I like it too.
Cabinet. What is it? It's a cabinet.
Cabinet.
You say cabinet?
Yeah.
It's a cabinet. It's the New Yorker in me. I'm in LA now, but it's the New Yorker in me. So my apples and my Red Hots are cooking up a storm in my Hello Kitty microwave. For 2 minutes, they're covered. What are you cooking? Apples on high, yes. But this microwave, it was $30 at the mall in 1999, so who knows? Who really knows? How do you hide the comments? Someone tell Monica how to hide the comments. And someone just said, pull your hair back. I love you. I love you. Love you. All right, so it's still cooking. Email. Thank you. Jamie is posting all the information. Thank you for, oh my God, you're so sweet for saying nice things about me. All right, so now it's still cooking. The idea here is that you're gonna melt the sugary, gooey Red Hots. You're gonna mix, mix, mix. Why don't you have a Hungry Girl mug? I do have a Hungry Girl mug. I absolutely have a Hungry Girl mug, but it doesn't have a wide bottom. And you won't have a wide bottom either when you make and enjoy this recipe. That's what it's gonna look like when it's all finished. Emily, stop touching your hair. Look at these people. Everyone's a critic over here. Emily, I bet you're home touching your face and you shouldn't be doing that either. I don't know. All right, so wait, I'm now mixing. I'm mixing. Can you see in the mug, people?
Yes.
All right, I'm mixing.
You can tilt it a little more.
You are, what does that say? You are one of a kind. That's good. All right, so you're mixing this, but they haven't all melted yet because the candies are still candy-like. So I'm gonna put that back in, I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna put it in for another 1 to 2 minutes, which means you get to endure me for another 1 to 2 minutes just talking to the camera. So there.
Tell them what they could use instead of Red Hots?
Yes, I do want to tell you what you can use instead of Red Hots. So say you're home, you don't have Red Hots, and you want to go down the more traditional road. Here's what you could do. You could chop up your apples, take a little cornstarch, maybe like you have 1 apple, I'd say 2 teaspoons if it's a fairly hefty apple. Dissolve it in a little tiny bit of water, pour that in, a little bit of sweetener, some cinnamon, throw that in the microwave. It'll thicken, it'll get gooey, it'll be delicious, okay? So you don't need the candy, or you could just try a few other things. Honestly, sometimes I just take the apple alone and throw it in the microwave with some cinnamon. You know, I chop it up because it feels like you're eating apple pie. And then when you're done, by the way, you could assemble it to make a little upside down apple pie in a mug, or you could, let's see, nobody needs to be worried about your sleeves, your hair, thank you. I like Fuji best, but if you like a tart apple, you could use a nice green Granny Smith. You could use pears, you could do whatever you want. So it's still, let's check it out now. I want to read the comments. Leave Lisa Hungry Girl alone. She is in her own house. I love the people that are...
She is beautiful inside and out.
Ah, inside and out? That's a lot of places to be beautiful. Hold on. This looks really good. Can you see in the mug? Lauren, can you see? Can you see?
Behind.
I what?
Yeah.
All right.
Turn a little more to the camera. You can still see.
Hold on. Ow, this mug is hot. Hot, hot, hot. All right. So you see it turns into, first of all, the apples release a lot of water, and then it's so hot that the candy melts in there, and there it is. And you just want to make sure your apples are soft. And that's the key. So they're like apple pie filling situation. Oatmeal and cinnamon, great. You could use this. First of all, you're right. I layer this in parfaits. So if you don't just want traditional cut apples in your yogurt parfait or in your oatmeal parfait, you could just I keep a big batch of this in the fridge to use. So that's like the best thing ever. In fact, I'll show you what else I have. Hang on. I bought like cans of tart cherries, and I made like a cherry pie filling that I just keep in this glass, and I layer it in yogurt. I have it on oatmeal. I will show you how to make this like one day, maybe tomorrow, or I don't know, next week, something. Okay, before I assemble my apple pie, I want to tell you, if you send likes and loves, you will be eligible to win this fantastic Paint by Sticker book, which is much easier than Paint by Number. It's a book that you stick little stickers and you make beautiful pictures of birds. If you are bored at home, you will flip over this. The recipe for this is going to be posted. I made this on the Dr. Oz show on my first appearance when I went and met Dr. Oz. He was mesmerized by the Red Hot candy. I'm not gonna lie. He thought it was fantastic. What are you doing right now, other than watching me? Who's doing their nails? Who's watching television? All right, now, if you want to make it seem like a traditional apple pie, you can crush up some cookies. So I have these are home-free cookies. They're really delicious, but you could use, I'm not getting my graham crackers for another day. My graham crackers are coming tomorrow. Oh, by the way, wait, tell me. Someone said oatmeal. Yeah, it's great in oatmeal. Hold on. I gotta slice this. You know what I'm making for Easter? I'm gonna make, and I'll do this either tomorrow or Saturday. I'm gonna show you how to make an tie-dye overnight oats parfait. What do you think of that? Tie-dye overnight oats? Do you think that sounds good or weird? I think it's a good recipe for kids or grandchildren. If you're quarantined with somebody who's a little on the younger side, I think you're gonna like that recipe. You saw that episode of Dr. Oz. All right, so I'm crushing up cookies now. Sometimes I use a mallet. I couldn't find my little mallet. And I'm gonna top this with cookies. That'll act as my makeshift crust. And I've got my trusty whip topping from Trader Joe's. So this is like, if you guys don't know this is coconut. It says coconut backwards. It's coconut whip topping, 10 calories for 2 tablespoons from Trader Joe's. It's the best. Dana, why are you turning green? Tell me why you're turning green. All right, I'm gonna top this. What? I didn't overdo it. Why? Because I'm probably gonna take most of these apples and put them on oatmeal tomorrow. But I'll taste this now, just so you can see how delicious and yummy it is. So delicious. Honestly, And the best thing is, it's good for you. Really. 90% apple, nothing else. Very little candy, very little cookies, and you don't even need to use that. So what other questions do you have? Watching you is way more entertaining than regular TV. Thank you. That's nice. My daughter would love the tie-dye oats. Oh, good. That's great. Wait, I am Lolly's mom. You didn't know I was Lolly's mom? You watching Martha cook on television? I love all these comments. Do you have any questions for me? Because I am in my home and we are bored to tears and Bam Bam is staring at me. Really, truly, my dog is looking at me. She's looking through me.
Is it true there's...
It's after 5:30. I know. I took one bite and I didn't eat past 4 today. So, is it after, how far after 5:30 is it?
5:26.
It's 5:26. Don't do that to me. I'll eat tomorrow at 9:30. I don't know if you guys know, I do this intermittent fasting thing. I don't eat for 16 hours. So, that's
is it true
that.
there's new Hungry Girl products?
Is it true that there's a
Yeah.
new Hungry Girl product? Yes, there is a Hungry Girl product called Hungry Girl Your Daily Bright Boost. I don't want this to seem like an infomercial, but if you want to find out about it, hungry-girl.com/bright. And you can listen to the Hungry Girl podcast, and you can get the daily emails. And if you're celebrating Passover and you want to eat this, eat it without the cookies, or you could crush up some matzah on it. Come on, be creative. Matzah farfel, cinnamon, you got it. All right, guys, there's still over 1,000 people here, but I think I have to go because, you know, they always say you want to leave when you're on top. I don't want that number to drop. But I'll be back like tomorrow or the next day with that fantastic tie-dye overnight oats parfait, all right? If you came in late, you could just replay this, and I'm gonna let people enter to win the sticker book like all throughout tomorrow. Thank you, Brittany, you're very sweet. So if you wanna win the sticker book, send hearts, say you wanna win the sticker book, and that is it. I love you guys, honestly. On days where I'm feeling down, sometimes it's not easy, this quarantine thing, it makes people feel a little stir crazy and weird and down, and you guys make me happy, and I hope that I do the same for you, and I hope that my ideas make your life, your food intake interesting, and if I entertain you in any way, then I've done my job. Okay, I love you guys so much. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay inside, and I will be back very soon with more ideas and hacks. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.